Hey there guys, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the AutoBright Super Penetrating Lubricant. Yeah, this is some wicked stuff, okay? What I use this for is mainly I use it for when like door hinges and things that bend, that have like some kind of a hinge on it, or some kind of corner on it that bends and it's squeaking. I use this to take away the squeaking, especially in door hinges, because that really annoys me. It really does. And I use it just about on every door hinge that I have at my house, because when we first got this place, it had some real rusty, noisy doors that sounded almost like a haunted mansion, when you open the door, it was really creaky. You need to put some kind of lubricant or oil stuff on there to, take away that sound. And I did that. I found this. It's very, very inexpensive. I was very happy with the price. And I used it on there and it took away that noise. It really lubed it up really good. Yeah, and it can be used on anything that kind of has a joint on it that bends and is sounding loud, or it needs to be loosened up. Like say something is rusted closed or hasn't been moved in a while and it's like has like some rust on there. This lubes it up really good so it can move again and move freely. Really loosens it up like very quickly too. Like also, what I typically use this also for is when I'm, say, working on my car, and a lot of times I have issues with a certain car of mine. One of my cars is a very, very old car, and anytime I have to take off one of the tires or change something on the engine or anything, the nuts and the bolts on there are very, very, very old and they haven't been touched in a long time. So I would spray some of this stuff around the nuts, and because it's really hard to get those nuts off because of just the age and how long it's been sitting, and some parts have like rust on there, and this helps to get those nuts moving. So you'll squirt this on. See, it comes out like through this rod here, which is like, this will be attached to the side here when you first buy it, and then you just take this and then fit it onto this hole right there, and you just spray it out like that, and it sprays onto whatever surface you need it to go onto, and it works very well and fairly quickly. Yeah, so what I usually do on a nut that doesn't want to turn with the wrench, I'll spray this around on that nut and have it penetrate that area and let it sit there just for like just a few minutes, let it get in there real good, and lubricate it a bit. I put it on very generously, don't just put a little bit on, just get it in there, saturate it and let it go to work, and it gets in there, it lubes it up, and just about 9 times out of 10 using this, I got that nut off, got it turning, and it worked out good. It really did. It is a lifesaver sometimes when you really, really need to get a bolt off and that nut is starting to strip and stuff because you're turning it so much and it just doesn't want to let go. Oh boy, I've been in that position a lot, but thank God I had stuff like this to use to actually help me turn that stuff. Now remember, it makes things not only not stick anymore like the nuts and bolts, but it helps get rid of, and loosen up rust. Anything that is rusted closed, like it hasn't moved in a while. The rust is in there. I mean, particularly rust. It really goes to work on some rust. It really does. And after you use it and you get that nut off or whatever you're trying to move, get that joint moving, all of that, it protects the metal after that. It puts a layer of coating on there that makes it so it will not get in that position again for a very, very, very long time. It protects it and makes it really good in that area. So it is very good and I like it a lot. I hope you guys use this information. This is the AutoBright Super Penetrating Lubricant. All right, guys, I will talk to you again next time. All right, bye-bye.